Good day. I'm Corné Pretorius of Vermiculture Africa, and I just want to share a review that I received from Daniel Robinson, who planted peanuts and used Rafa Grow on his peanuts. I recently had the opportunity to try Rafa Grow on my peanut plants, which I planted on December 19th, 2024. After applying this product 6 times throughout the growing season, I'm thrilled to share my experience. From the very first application, I noticed a remarkable difference in the health of my plants. Rafa Grow has truly outshined any other fertilizer or nutrient product I have used in the past. The peanuts are thriving, they are lush, vibrant, and showing significant growth. It's clear that Rafa Grow is formulated with high quality organic ingredients that support robust plant health. One of the standout features of Rafa Grow is its ease of use. The application process is straightforward, making it simple for both novice and experienced gardeners. The product blends seamlessly into my regular gardening routine, and I appreciate that it promotes sustainable farming practices. Additionally, the results speak for themselves. My peanut plants are not only growing exceptionally well, but are also resilient against potential pests and diseases, which has been a concern in past planting seasons. The overall vigor of my plants is impressive, and I have no doubt that Rafa Grow is the reason for this success. In conclusion, if you are looking for a superior fertilizer alternative for your farm, I highly recommend Rafa Grow by Vermiculture Africa. It has exceeded my expectations, and I will definitely continue using it for future planting seasons. This product is a game changer for any farmer seeking healthy, productive plants.